By the order that was passed yesterday, the Honorable High Court had directed the State Election Commissioner to examine the entire issue of conduct of elections either on 22nd or 24th independently. Now, in compliance of that order, the State Election Commissioner basically went through or considered the advisories given by the central government, state government, World Health Organization, and the global scenario as it exists today. Now, on consideration of all this material, he came to the conclusion that the elections cannot be conducted in the next fortnight. In the light of that situation, he issued orders to the returning officers, assistant returning officers, and all entire officers which are appointed for the purpose of conducting elections, that the elections cannot be conducted in the next 2 weeks, and they are postponed until further orders. Now, after 2 weeks, the situation will be considered once again by the State Election Commissioner, and then fresh date would be decided. And this is the affidavit that we have filed before the Honorable High Court. Now, after considering the stand taken by the State Election Commissioner as well as the state government, the Honorable High Court has disposed of the writ petition.
गोंय सरकारान आनी SECन वेंचणूक फुडें धुकलिल्ल्यान हायकोर्टान तोखणाय केली. वेंचणूक फुडें धुकलिल्ल्यान कोरोना पातळपाचो धोको उरूंक ना. याचिका घालपाचो हेतू साध्य जालो म्हूण याचिकादार सांगतात.
Actually, we are happy with the outcome, which has protected the interest and safety, well-being of our Goans. That was our main motto.
In fact, it is a thing to be appreciated by the appreciate the election commissioner as well as the government to decide something for the benefit of the people in a day. So we are really happy for and I do appreciate the election commissioner as well as the government, and I hope they take a further date in taking into consideration the preventive measures.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.